Hello everyone, welcome you all to the next lecture of the course Selenium Java. This is lecture number 34, model number 4. The topic is Selenium DDF Framework. DDF is already learned, that is data-driven framework. Okay. So in data-driven framework, we have read the data, but in this program, we will write the data. We will write the menu of the origin website. Task is print the menu of website using DDF. It is a task. Print the menu of the website using DDF. Okay, so this is public class menu lecture. Here, the main method first define the property of the driver, then define the options, adding arguments, remote allow results, then web driver, WD equals to new phone driver, window to be managed, maximized, then wd.get URL. This is we want at the console title of web page. Now, first, if you remember, I have explained you the interface. First, we have to mention the file. After file, then workbook. After workbook sheet, then row, and then column. And then column. So first file is defined by syntax file equals to. This is application we have taken FIS equals to new file equals to, and the location of files. We write Selenium then workbook, access workbook, initialization WK equals to new workbook and take reference of file. Then sheet, Excel sheet, initial application asset, take reference of the workbook dot get sheet. And sheet name we have already created a sheet in Excel file that name is HTML. Okay. Now this is for the bit, otherwise there can be issues. Okay. Then find element by expert or by name. Whatever for username, password, and for your login button. Okay, now for menu, we have to deal with the different menus. So we'll use list web element menu and find menu by w.find element by dot class. For that class is same for all the menus. Then make a loop for integer I 0 to less. Then menu dot size means up to menu are 7, then 0 to 7. Okay. Depends on size. Then here, create a row array. At every row, you have to create a column. And it depends on you at which column you want to bring the menu. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Then I want whatever we are printing there, that should be at console also. System.out, menu.get I, get text, the console. Okay. And at the cell value also. That text should be at display and at the columns. Then where you are writing, mention that output file, because here you have mentioned the input file. Here output file is same Excel file where we are writing. So give the reference of output.file. Okay. So let's see this example in the Eclipse. So coming out of this PPT mode, start your Eclipse. Okay. Here, right click, new class name is write data. Okay. Or menu written by DDF, including the menu. Okay. Here, take the here. This is for read data. So for reading data, we have already done this. Only there will be a small difference. So what I'll do, I can copy this whole program from here. Control C. Here I'm writing data menu OHM. Remove the extra bases. They are building first will check system property Chrome option up to here. We'll launch this. We'll get this. Wait. Okay, we'll get this title. Fine. Next, we'll after this, we'll mention the input file. We'll mention over here file input string. For here, mention the input file. What is the issue? We have to import, I guess, this file. Add code application. Okay. Click on exceptions. The input file we have mentioned. Then workbook we have to mention. Take reference of this. Workbook is done. After workbook sheet. Okay. Now, there's no need to again give the weight. Weight should be given one time only. Okay, now for username, for password, for this file. Now list web element by class. Then now we have to check this side first one. Okay. That is, see, this is the practice side, so anyone can enter from here. What was really watch? Login here. Now we want to print all these manual. Administrator page, just right click and inspect. Take this block at bottom. This is OXT main menu item, on next main menu item. See, and here also. Same. So this is same. So there will be no issue. See here, find elements because we are dealing with elements. So list, web element, file elements. Now loop will be 0 to menu size. That is also okay. Then we have to create row I. Then we have to create cell this, right? Then CISO menu.getI.get text. Then set value menu.get file get text. And file output stream, right? First. Now we'll check. First, we will open our Excel file. That's in C drive. C drive, Selenium folder. Excel file. An Excel file OHM menu. This I'm deleting it. Okay, and I'm closing this. So, otherwise, writing will not be done. Okay. Now, I'm not giving this 2, I'm giving this 0. I want to print all the menu into column 0. Run this. Username pass, password pass, login button is clickable. Now see here, all these menus are printed. PM, leave, time, the group and home document, now we have to check the Excel file. If Excel file I'll not close, then it will not work. Because if file is open, it will not write data in the. Open this now. All the menus are written over here. Since I have mentioned here the cell 0, that's why it's printed here. Otherwise, in the last time, it was here because the value was given 2. Okay, so in this way, we have learned how to write it, okay? How to store data. That is an example of storing the menu, printing the menu of the OHL application. Okay, so in this way, we have done DDF read data also, write data. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much. God bless you. We'll meet in next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.